Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm over here at Houston Raceway Park, track day today. The day right after I got my E85 done to the car. So just stay tuned for the video guys. I really want to see how much improvement the E85 made to the car because the first time I was here I had the stock tires on the back and also I had 93 octane. This time I have the E85. We're gonna see how fast it'll do. Hopefully we do 11 second, 11.9, who knows. What do you think, Jeremy?
Hey man, I feel like we're probably gonna hit the 11s, you know? 10, maybe
Nah. Boy, this boy said 10, I was like nah.
Hey,
But
hey, this is
anyway guys,
this is stock too.
yeah, it's running out of stock except for the E85 tune from Lund. So, and I did that yesterday. If you guys haven't seen that video, it's gonna be in the link down below. Anyway, so right now I'm at the line just waiting to go in. I want to show you guys all the cool cars they have out here. We have a bunch of demons right here. We got a bunch of demons right here. This one is like the ruby red. The red one right here. And then black one, yellow demon. And then we have another yellow demon right there too. So it's a pretty good day out here today. A whole bunch of fast cars, bone stock, and I'm sure it's still freaking fast. I like the tires he has. I think it's the Mickey Thompson, the one I had last time on my 14, the ET Street SS. And then we have a SRT, actually no, it's a Hellcat Charger right here. We have a TA 392, Pontiac. Man, we have a whole bunch of cars out here. I'm just waiting right now for the line to go down a little bit more before we head out there. I'll see you guys at the starting line.
Just don't put Dave Davies next to me. He's already tired of me after the end of this year.
But what I'll do is
stage lane, we need you to get back there with your cars. We need you to stay with your cars.
I just ran I've done 2 passes down here guys. The first pass was 11.7, the second one 11.6. We have a whole bunch of fast cars over here, but I'm not sure what they're doing right now. They're probably cleaning or something. Hey Kevin, that's you?
Yeah, that's me, man.
You? What's up?
Wait a minute, man. Look, I'm trying to see who you are, man.
Orange Mustang.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Like I think like 1 month ago or something.
Yeah,
I don't know your name.
seeing you.
You got the Hellcat.
What you got here, man? You got a little fancy.
All right, well, we got some quiet time. Listen up, racers. If you lost your hat up on
okay.
the top end,
I just did the left lane right now.
It's a
The
rescue
orange
truck.
Mustang. You didn't see me?
So if you're missing a hat,
I just did a 11'6", man.
6.
Yeah.
they said they found one up
You're
there.
moving up now, huh?
I know, yeah.
So what you do to it? What you do? You did the
E85.
E85?
That's it.
That was it?
That's
yeah?
it. And I also got the slicks too.
Yeah, yeah.
I just got the.
I told you.
I got the weld wheels with
Yeah.
the Mickey Thompson.
I told you tires make all the difference.
Yeah.
don't they?
Oh
The
man.
thing is, your head's not in it.
This is exciting now,
Man,
man.
look at him.
I,
He was here with Roland. The last time Roland was here, we were talking to him. Yeah, he had just got the Mustang. Yeah,
I did.
All right.
I did 12.3 last time.
yeah,
Like bone stocks, stock tires, everything.
yeah.
12.3, and now I got the slicks on the E85.
Yeah.
I'm doing 11.6 already,
So
man.
who you didn't even? Well, so you only 85, so you had to get it tuned. So
Oh, yeah.
tuned
Like I
it.
said, Ford,
Lund.
glad to have
Lund.
each and every
Lund
one of
too.
you here
Yeah.
starting out the
It's
race
an
season
email
with
too.
us here.
Yeah.
I did a log. I
Eastern
sent it
Raceway
back.
Park,
They look
2020
at it.
Vision
They sent
season.
me another one. You know what I mean? Just an email.
Yeah.
But I literally just got the E85
Better your
yesterday.
vision,
Yeah.
better your reaction
Yesterday.
time is off that tree.
So, where'd you get your E85 from?
Sonico.
Sonoco?
Yeah.
So you can go and, like I said, go to
here's a little bit more expensive. It's
HoustonRaceway.com
like $5
and check out
$5
the whole event schedule for the entire year.
Bar.
There's a printable version
got
on
race
that. You can
gas
print it up and pin it on the wall.
Might get a little bit better.
Oh
And
yeah.
that way there you
Where
can
at?
schedule
Right here,
vacation,
right here. The
gas
holidays,
station, the
and
pump.
Right
all
here,
kinds
the
of
pump
stuff
here.
to come out and hang
You
out
go
with
tell
us.
them you want some E85
Here
bar.
at
It's
Houston Raceway Park.
85. It's 85% ethanol
With some.
and 15% race gas.
Oh, okay.
So-
I don't need to change my
cool
tune,
race
no?
events, a lot of cool
No,
people.
no,
Okay,
no,
okay.
You're just gonna read it. Yeah.
It's gonna read
That's
it.
Clint down there
All
in
right.
front of the race.
Hey guys, this thing is freaking crazy, man. Full blood demon. Bro, you can see the time perfectly from here, bro. 9:4. 9:4, man. Oh, they don't show it. I think they show. Look, they show it up there too. That's what I was telling you. After recording mine.
Left hand lane.
I think it was even less. What's up, boss? How are you?
You remember me?
Yes, sir, I do.
I saw you at the shop.
Yeah, I
shop.
remember you. Yeah, I
You
got
saw
you.
me. I just ran right here.
Yeah. The orange one with the weld in the back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The only thing I got is the other flag.
Race Demon.
I had put it out here.
Demon versus
What was that?
If I still had the Z06, I'd run it. But,
Oh, okay, yeah.
Just about 3:30, then he lets off.
Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Second time at the track with only 2 mods, drag radials and E85, and the Mustang did 11.69, the best time, and I am super excited. This is all crazy.